Hello, this is Tyagarajan. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a 3D rotating ring in PowerPoint. Even though PowerPoint provides some 3D objects, it is not a true 3D software. So we can create only an illusion of 3D rotation for the object we create in PowerPoint. Now let me open a blank PowerPoint presentation. I remove these boxes. I am selecting the Insert tab. I choose Pictures menu. Now I choose the option This device and I am importing a picture from my computer. This picture I have already edited. I have explained how to edit a picture in my previous video, or you can use any picture you want. If you want to watch that video, you can click on the link given at the top of this video frame, or you can use the link given in the description. Now, I click on the View tab and select the checkbox named Guides. The guidelines are appearing like this. Now I go to Format tab. I am selecting the picture style options and I am choosing this metal oval style. So it appears like this. Right click on the object and select Format Picture. Now Format Picture page will be opened. You select 3D rotation and go to this presets options. You select no rotation. If you observe the text boxes given below this presets option, all are set to 0. That is X rotation, Y rotation, Z rotation, all are set to 0. Now right click on the first frame and choose duplicate slide option. So you will get the duplicate of the first slide. You create 10 more duplicate frames in the same way. Now totally we have 12 frames. Now you go to the second frame, right click on the object, go to Format Picture page and enter a value of 30 in the X rotation box. Now select the third frame and select the object in that frame. Go to Format Picture page and enter a value 60 in the X rotation box. Go to fourth frame, select the object, enter 90 here. Similarly, go to fifth frame, select the object, enter 120. Now go to sixth frame, select the object, enter 150. Then go to seventh frame, select the object, enter the value 180. Now you see the object is just a mirror image of the object found in frame 1. In frame 1 we have like this and in frame 7 we have like this and the angle is 180 degrees. Go to 8th frame, select the object, enter the value 210 here. Then go to 9th frame, select the object, enter a value 240. Then go to frame 10, select the object, enter a value 270. Then go to 11th frame, select the object, enter a value 300. Go to 12th frame, select the object, enter a value 330. You see the fourth frame, the left edge of the object is aligned with the vertical guideline. But if you see the 10th frame, the right edge of the object is aligned with the vertical guideline. So you take the 11th frame, it might have moved slightly in the left side. You adjust that like this. Similarly, you come to the 12th frame, you adjust like this. You check this one, slightly you can adjust. You check this 9th frame, slightly adjust like this. Then 8th frame you can leave as it is. 7th also you can leave as it is. 6th is also okay. 5th one you can rightly move to the left side. This is okay. This one you can slightly move to the left side. This one you can leave as it is. This you can leave as it is. Now go to File tab, choose Export option, then choose Create Video option in the Export menu. Leave the option Full HD as it is. Then you set this value to 0.1. So the seconds spent on each slide is set to 0.1. Now click on Create Video. It will ask you the path to store this video. So give the video name as 3D rotating ring and click on save button. Now you run that video, we will see.